Hi everybody, it's Tana here from the Textdrip demo team. And today I'm going to be showing you how to level up your drip campaigns by using our AI message generator. So it looks like you're doing a great job with creating your drip campaigns, but today we're going to take it a step further. So let me go ahead and make this full screen, and we're going to go right into a drip campaign that we are currently working on. So in a drip campaigns, AI message generator is a feature that allows you to compose one message in several different ways. You can use this feature to help you create drip campaigns, but it can also help you to switch up your messages on a weekly or monthly basis. If you're making a drip campaign and you're not really sure what to say, then type in something very simple that you want to say. For an example, here I have, "Hey, Tana here from Textdrip. I'm reaching out regarding your request. Are you free for a call?" All you have to do is click on the AI message generator here, click on where it says generate, and give it a few seconds. Now, in just a few short seconds, several different versions of that original message will appear, making it easier for you to create your own unique message to send out. So you'll see here we have several different versions of that original message. Let's go ahead and copy the one we want to send out instead. And now we're going to delete the original message. And let's go ahead and paste that brand new one. Now, let's take a look at a message that's already existing in your campaign. So for an example here, we have, "Hey, just want to follow up. Let's go ahead and hop on a call." You can go to any message that's already made, and by using that AI message generator, you can switch it up so that way you are not constantly sending out the same message. So once again, I would click here to where it says AI message generator, click on generate, and then wait for a new message to actually appear. No matter if you're just getting started or need help creating your messages, or if you need to refresh your already existing drip campaign, let AI message generator actually help you. For more information and more details about drip campaigns, check out the rest of my videos in my drip campaign series playlist. You can always book a demo or click on the help tabs or go to textdrip.com for more information. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks everybody. Bye.